Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your lace closures or frontals go from this to this. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. So first I started by putting some powder on my lace. I turned the wig inside out. I'm using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark, but you can use whatever powder you want that's closer to your skin tone. And then I'm gonna set that with some hairspray. This is the Got To Be. And then of course you're gonna let that dry before you proceed. And now I'm just taking some scrap nude cap and I'm gonna pin that around the lace. And I made sure to spread the lace a little thin because you don't want it to be too thick on your under your wig. And now I'm gonna go ahead and use that same powder to, you know, make everything look a little bit more realistic, like your scalp. Now this is the part that really makes the nude cap look like your actual scalp. This is just some clear thread that I got from Walmart. It's in the shade Transparent. I'm gonna go ahead and sew that around until I get to the hairline. Now when you get to the actual hairline, you don't want to go exactly on it. I do about an inch above the hairline and then I go across. And if you wear your hair usually in a part, you don't want to sew directly into the part, sew over the part. So that way when you do part your wig, you won't be able to see the thread, even though you can't really see it anyway. But to make it more realistic, don't sew over your parts. Now you're gonna go ahead and cut off the excess cap. Just make sure to not cut too close to the thread, otherwise you get like runs in it. And that's pretty much how it should look. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spray it again just to set the powder in place. And of course you're gonna let that dry again. Now go ahead and turn the wig back to the right side. Now my part is a little over plucked, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix that with some eyeshadow. This is my Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna go ahead and use that dark brown shade and this flat square top brush. I'm gonna go ahead and bring the part in a little closer. And here is the after. This is how my wig looks after I flat iron the top. Well, I use my hot comb and after I lay down my baby hairs. Here is the before. Big difference. And if you guys ever have the problem with your lace being too dark, I would recommend buying the Rick Color Remover at Walmart. I'll make sure I would do this before I actually assembled my wig, just because you don't want to get this actually like in your hair. I watched this lady on YouTube do hers and it actually works, so I'll make sure to link her video down below.